Okay, here we go. There is the nest and the nest cup. And I see it right there. And I'm seeing them kind of flying around. Okay, let me just kind of move out a little bit. Let's see if I can get some of them flying in. There, oh, there he goes, there he goes. There he is. Yeah, I see him. Shh. Just gonna watch for a minute. Oh, there they go. Oh. Great little spot they found. Awesome. Just gonna see what they're gonna do. I see him in there. He's still in there. He's in the cup part. He's right there. Hi, little fella. Or missus. I see him moving. I wanted to see if both would come up so we could really get a good shot of this. Wish I had a little cam thing like those nature cams up there. Wish I could stream one up there. There it is. Come on, little guy. Waiting patiently for him to... come on, do something. Oh, there they go. Fun. Hope I see the little babies fledge before I go. There it is. There they are in the little cup part. Oh, there they go. Let me zoom it out a bit. Ooh, this is so exciting. Okay, I'm going to post this. Download this, see how this comes out. Okay. Let me just see a couple minutes more, a minute more. Wait, you just have to be patient. Come on, little guys, come on. Just have to sit here for a minute. So much fun. Can't help it, just I see them flying all around. These are the guys that are out front. My place. Mom's place. They were out front up in that thing. On the porch. Come on, parents, come back. Come on, Mr. and Mrs. Come back. Oh, so funny. Oh. Okay, there it is. Alright, I'm going to try and upload it, see how it comes out. Oh, I was hoping they'd fly around a little more. Alright, that's it. Alright, let's see how this comes out. Come on back one more time. I don't see them. Of course, as soon as I turn it off, then they'll all come flying back. Alright, that's it. Give it a shot. See how this comes out. Come on, I don't see them anywhere. See, they've been like landing right here. And I mean, you don't see, there's my PC. I'm like right here. I'm like right with it. Can't help but see them. This is great. Come on, guys, come back. Shoot. And let me try and zoom in a little more. It's like right there. There it is. There it is. Come on, little babies. Come back. Mom and Pops, come back. Oh, you can see. I can see the ring around it. Yeah, and the nest cup right in the middle. Wait, here, they're coming back. Alright. Alright, that's it. I'm going to see how it's going to come out.